Hi, Barry. Good morning. Good morning. I'm morning to me now. Peanut butter and jelly sandwich and mint tea. The mint tea there. Hey, see Roxy Parker. Roxy move over there, so Nosy Parker. Hey, nobody with it again this morning. Come here. Get up and come. Come. Come here. You know any camera. Come here, man. Come. Come for bread. Come for peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Come. Come. Come now. Come. Come. Come, please. Come right there. You say, come now. Come now, boy. I say him no. Not do him. Then so today is Sunday. I'm going to carry around with me. I'm not going on the road. I haven't been on the road since I was sick. Today is 11 days. I haven't been outside at my gate. So I have my jerk pan over there, so. And I got jerk chicken for dinner, but that's my feel for. Long time I not cook no Sunday dinner. So we are here. Camera girl, you know, say good morning for me and the camera.
Good morning, guys.
So I'm gonna drink my little tea and you know I start off the vlog that way. Yeah? Check in with you all to make sure it's all good. Make sure so everything is okay and make sure so not laugh. Cause you see if you not laugh yet, I make sure you not laugh before the vlog get over. See? Whatever you have this morning, give thanks. Peanut butter and jelly and mint tea, a big breakfast that man, that's true. So me catch up back with them. Look how big. Parry outside me there, you know, say I got ear kind of nice. I got season some chicken. This is not a tutorial, but tutorial is not a video now, you know, say Debbiedebs this. So I'm feel for jerk chicken, but this is going to be one express jerk chicken. So over here, so I put in. This is kind of more like a dry rub. I'm not going to blend up nothing in the blender or the food processor. So guess what? I show you look like something. I got ear on the outside. I hope the music now come through. Me get a little hot curry powder here from one of my friends. And I put it smell nice. You know, almost know it too. I'm not doing an advertisement. You don't know it, yeah. But it says organic hot curry powder and it smells so nice. So I have a curry jerk chicken video for West Indian Delight. So I make sure it's wow. This thing I look good, family, and it smells my color this. So look here. I chew on some pan it. See? And I catch it back with you know, I go put up the whole head of garlic, I go get it up and something. You see how this look, that rubber look good. I'm not telling the lie Parry. I'm waiting for get the thing there. So as me tell you now, this I go be cut up your foot. This I go be a little express jerk chicken pan for dinner for today, for Sunday dinner. Yeah, I go teach you now how you can do a little express jerk chicken. You see what I do at sun bright and all of that. I know the spring take time I break with you know. Yeah. You know so I sound different. I look like me I come back to myself. I feel like me I come back to my old self. So I'm telling you I have rice and peas, potato salad, money, I look a color for vegetable because when I go on the market because I really want to go down to Korea right now till the coffee, you know. Better, because you know the whole market fumes and dust downtown. But I'm feeling good today, so I feel like I cook some food for the family. So look here, so I put on this, I can see me, I put on like a paprika, put on like this, put on like that. So look here, when I see me next, I can have everything on, I'm just going to rub it in, and then now, I'm going to catch that jump there together today. See, I don't jet back in, I don't know, I feel happy today, I feel blessed. Parry me on the outside and some music I play, so I don't know, maybe I have to go kind of mute out some of them, but look here. I did a little express jerk rub this, you know. Wow, and it all look good too, you know, Parry. It look pretty. Down days, Parry, down days, some down days things that I always talk about. When I'm a little sister just called me a while ago. I saw you sound, so I don't like how you sound, you know. And she has said, I said, look here, I don't like how you sound. So you see, like how you follow me through today, you not go hear when me talk to her, because I go call her. I go call her on camera. Because guess what? After me calling this when me get, you know, me answer to it. Me have to go call her now and go make sure say me cheer her up. She not have to tell me what happened in a party. She don't have to tell me what happened, but me just want to make sure say, you know, me want her to know that I'm here even though me dey so far from her. Me I go cheer up because I know the situation, you know. So look here. If only I go and good, you know, look good. Me I go and rub him up, but me I take my time, you know, because the gloves them are thin and them have bones. So look here, me I get about 2 hours. See? And then when me catch the cool and have it out, you might see me back again before. Maybe show you what I go on the inside. But today, I turn out to be a busier day than me expect. But guess what? Me I thank Father God for the strength. Me I thank Him for the health. And me I move today like, me feel like Debbie today. Me feel really like Debbie today, yeah. And me I move. I know the phone I go say, Debbie, take it easy. But okay, when me have to move, me have to move. Me have to talk to my sister. So I'm going to catch up back with her, see? Paris, see what shot me there, but the fowl look like I'm me alone. I go eat half this. One thing, Paris, our 8 pieces, 8, yeah. 1 chicken cut in a 4 piece. Me there, me take my time, I come down slow with it. And there's some me there. So me I go inside there now, go put potato salad together. And me I go put the rice and peas. Me just show you me little day as me go through. Tonight I WrestleMania, so I don't know all. I want to try end the vlog, but I'm just carrying you through Sunday. Say this me I do, this me feel for last week Sunday this time I have to inside sit down. So there's some of the parry. They look already something and some of the look sorry something me I put it on it. I want to get a nice little flavor, but I not put it on all because I don't know if everybody wants it. So I'm going to check out back on the inside and show you look more all the potato salad and the rice and peas are progress. See? Oops, man. Parry me up on the inside. So I'm coming girl. I finish now, I jog from the outside, I jog and jog. I'm coming home. I eat when I know it go. I'm hungry. And my taste bud take care, I come back. Hungry take over. Come on girl, let's finish and make the potato salad. Because I did put them for cook and stuff already, potato and egg and stuff. And I have peas cook. And I have coconut cut up, so I have blend coconut now. So I guess when you see me back, y'all will see what dinner look like. And I want to talk to you all about this flu virus. I'm just getting my momentum back where I can talk. I want to send out something to you. I want to explain to you who have not gotten this virus and to try to keep, you know, you can't keep yourself from it. I want to explain to you, I want to tell you something about this monster of a virus. Even though I spoke to you in my last vlog where I connected, I still never have the strength to talk to you about it yet. May I get back the momentum now? I don't want you, if you're having it, if it should come, I want to explain and share with you how to treat it. It's a monster of a virus. So, I just want to check back with you now, see? Hurry! I kind of reach almost. So, I have here rice and peas. I have stovetop macaroni and cheese done by the great camera girl. I have gravy. Nice thick gravy. And over here, so I have jerk chicken. I don't have no vegetable because look here, we are family and I can't tell you this. I actually ginger. I never go market because I'm just scared with the whole perfumes at all. I want to make my chest, you know, fully come back. See? So we don't have no vegetable. And if I own my family, I'm telling them I don't have no vegetable, I think it's okay. Look here, when I have vegetable, I nice it up and show them. When I have no vegetable, I show the same way. That's why it is real. And when you no cook and you want to send food for me through WhatsApp or Instagram, you don't have to have no vegetable, you have to just send where you have come with your family and me, you don't send it come. See? And look here, look over here, so. So I plate up some food, you know? Rice and peas. Look up, oh yeah, we did have like a potato salad over there. So show them the camera girl, I never remember. Camera girl, the potato salad and stovetop mac and cheese. So I chop up your jerk chicken and I put on something. Eat with your high sparrows. That for dinner today. Have some water. See? So I'm going to dish up now and make everybody get food, and then aftermath, Roxy I go get him pile, and then I like him love the jerk chicken and rice and peas, and then love ketchup and him food, yeah. and something. I'm not like the gravy so much, him like the raw ketchup or, you know. So Roxy stay. So look here, I'm not going to finish it here, so you know. I go eat, because you know sometimes I eat with you, but my stomach kind of feel like tired. So I just go and eat little, and then chill out, and then I come back. End the vlog, and show you, just basically that's a soak up on a Sunday. Remember, I say real, if you cook and a vegetable not there and you the dinner done and you want to say, Debbie, say look like my dinner here, can you know that's how we do it? On WhatsApp, and me and send it to you. You don't have to have it all dandy. I'm good like that. I want to see when it dandy, and I want to see when it not dandy. What you think about that? Comment. That's why we are going to be real friends, real family. Okay? So look here, my son back look more. So today was basically like about what we are dealing with today for dinner. We not go nothing much because we come inside, because outside kind of get hot after I'm done. So I'm going to dish up some food, and I'm going to eat a little too. See you soon in the next clip. So Paris, we are at the next clip. This is not right here, so we're going to end it because I'm in my room actually. And you know, we are wrestling fans, so today is WrestleMania, and we're there, so in my room I watch it kick off. When we have yeah, see son picture over my head over there, so when he was going to high school, it's high school graduation picture. And when we have like pay-per-views and wrestling, most of them always come inside here because it's on this television that we have the WWE network. So we're gonna end it. It wasn't a lot today, but I am happy to connect with you once more and to be connecting in a real more like a jovial family. So I'm saying, because I'm finding myself, and you will see too. I know you'll see it in the sort of vlog here. Coming out of my shell. Wanted to go more. Want to go around the front, go show you Julie Mango upon the tree, but me never get to. You see, I wanted to show you a little more higher spirits of Roxy. And when him ready, him enough and tear down the place and run up and down and run before you and make him like you want drop. But just never get it. But as we go along, you will see him. Come like me, I forgot to take the camera off and put it on him off guard. Once him know the camera there on him nah respond. Can you believe Sir Roxy no camera, Parry? So we had some food, we had some dinner. Camera girl, put her hand across it. No, and sorry. You eat dinner. We had some dinner, and we are here now, locked to WWE Network. I hope, you know, me know not all have dinner. I hope you all give thanks for what you have. And if there was anybody when I have nothing, I hope you all, you know, reached out to them. You know, not any, not when I say you all, I mean any of you out there that nobody didn't have any dinner. I hope you know, reach out to somebody, a friend, a family who never have anything, and you know, make them have dinner. Remember to be real. Remember, make sure say uno no make nobody come take away uno blessing that you have been working for. Uno. So me I preach it, because people will just come up, come put them on in front of you all these years you come in. When you're working for your blessing, you know, it is the good that you have done or you're doing on this journey of life in a party. And there comes a time when you'll be rewarded for your blessing. I don't know in which way. And that is the prize. Working and doing good and being a good person, reaching out to people, that's the work you have been doing. And you know, but the blessing is the prize. So when it comes that you're supposed to get paid, people will not do not, we come take time and just create some meaning, and then probably they don't know if you take it, but you lose it. Because I don't think they can take it, because they're not going to know if you do it, the kind of them work for. You know? But they will just come with some form of drama, and you lose focus, and then your blessing just pass by. Remember to be good. Remember to be wise. Open your eyes. Be vigilant, but wise. Make a sister or a brother laugh today. Send a little joke. Send a little funny video. Make sure you keep in tune with your sister them and your brother them. Good morning, You know, I've been a long Tory. No, because we're on the go. We have got to be doing work. We have got to be going to work. We have stuff to be doing. You don't have the time to talk long, but there are sometimes, some days you just unwind. Right? And when you don't have the time to talk, make sure you keep in touch, because we have technology where we can send a text. Be good. Make sure you laugh, as me say again. And, you know, we are going to sign out for now. I hope you have enjoyed. This is what we look about for dinner. I hope you have enjoyed with us. That's what we do. Right on over here. We always try to, you know, engage you all in what we do. It wasn't the best today either. Not the best of us. But we are here and we're rolling on again. Thank you so much for your love. I feel so loved. Come on, girl. What about you?
Yes, I do as well. I'm sorry guys that you guys haven't been seeing me as much. It's exam time, partially exam time plus revision and stuff like that. So I've been busy, have a lot of homework, test to study for and stuff like that. But I have Easter breaks starting next week.
On this Friday.
Yeah, this Friday. So you guys will be seeing me more often because I'm not going back to school until the 1st of May after that. So you guys will be seeing me more often.
And we're gonna be checking out for you from now, Pa. Remember, send me real videos. If you cook some soup and a vegetable in it and you want to send me some, send it. Don't think about, Lord, it don't look pretty like the one with it. No, I want to know that's not me. I want to see the real pretty ones and I want to see the not so pretty ones. That's me. That is how I know it's real. Love you so much. I love when I like cook food. I love when more than the jerk chicken and the rice and peas a while ago. Don from Florida, Simone from New Jersey. We have Shamiza all the way in Canada. Margaret in Canada. Diana, you know yourself, girl. Less forever. Amaru cooks me one make a brother when me have a panka over here. So with him now left me out and me now left him. And if you don't hear your name, Sheppy Bradshaw, don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself. Gerard, what's her name? I don't remember. Red Hot. Oh my God, girl. I'm feeling you. Me know how it go, you know. We love the love. We love the feeling. We love all of that. Blessed and highly favored. Big up yourself. All of you over here. So much. So many of you all. I can't even remember. My friend, Merle from Barbados. Marcia from Barbados. But she's in Philadelphia. So many Marcias. So many all. One of you all is in one of you are now in Jamaica. And me I go link with you. I link with you before you leave back. Big up yourself. You know yourself. Eh? So the love is real. Sisters and brothers. I know a few brothers are here too. The love is real. Let us keep it. Let us keep the love going. Right on the Jamaican Debbiedebs train. And it doesn't matter what we do right on over here. Never let the evil around you. Never let it take control of you. Steer on top of things. Eh?